How to fix Windows Update client failed to detect error 0x6024a005. 1. Disable existing antivirus temporarily. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Reset the Windows Update component. Four. Disconnect your system from any active proxy or VPN server. 5. More tips from Microsoft. Windows Update common errors and mitigation at https://learn.microsoft.com/n-us/troubleshoot/windows-update-common-windows-update-errors. Windows Update troubleshooting at https://learn.microsoft.com/n-us/troubleshoot/windows-client/deployment/windows-update-issues-troubleshooting.